Hi, in this video we are going to create a database for the SQL Server 2014. This is a list of suggestions how you can use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is already loaded here, and this is the URL. So if you go to that web page and scroll it down, you should be able to download an SQL file called Go for Panda Shop. And I'm going to go to my Windows Explorer, go to my C drive, temp directory, to go to my ASP.NET. Okay, let me delete this first. I'm going to create two folders. One folder is called EG002. We are going to put SPX files there. And another folder I'm going to call EG002 SQL. I'm going to put an SQL file there. Okay, and I'm going to download this file and put it there. So I'm going to right click here, save link as. I'm going to rebrowse the location, ctemp, MySQL.NET, EG002 SQL, and save it over there. So the file should go there. Okay. If you open this file in Notepad++, you will see that what this file does is it will create a database called Go for Panda Shop. It will create a table called categories with two fields, another table called products with a couple of fields, and you insert things into categories, insert things into products, insert the data and records. And you even have a foreign key referencing here between the two tables. I'm not going to go into detail of the tables. You can look at the SQL file yourself. So first we need to log into Management Studio. Before we log into Management Studio, I'm going to talk about the services that we have installed. So if you look for services and click on View Local Services, you should be able to find the instance that we installed for SQL Server. So if you scroll down to SQL Server, you will see SQL Server is running, obviously, but it's automatic. I don't really like automatic, so I'm going to change it to manual, so that you will not automatically start when your computer starts. You will not waste your memory and all that. Okay, SQL Server Agent, I'm going to change this to manual as well because we may need it later. And I'm going to change the SQL Server Browser to manual because we may need it later as well. For example, if you want allow connection information, provide connection information to client computers, which sometimes comes really handy. They are not running. Okay, if you want them to run, you can always ask them to start, but right now it's just go for now. I just need SQL Server instance, MS SQL Server instance to install the database. So let me close this, and I can log in using my Management Studio. And I use SQL Server Authentication SA. My password is RootPass. Should be able to log in. And of course, probably you should create another administrator account to create a database. You don't want to use your SA account, but this video is more about SPX connection, not about server administration, so I'm not going to cover that one. I'm just going to use SA for now. So I'm going to go to File, Open, File, and look for the file that we have downloaded, which is in C drive. Temp is MySQL.NET, EG002 MySQL, and look for the SQL file. File will be opened. So you click on Execute and keep your finger crossed, and everything is good. So success. So you can go to the database here. You should see this Kung Fu Panda shop here. If you don't see it, you can always right click and refresh, and you should see it. Okay, so you can go into Kung Fu Panda shop, look at the tables. So categories table, and look at the design view. You can see what is in the categories table. Okay, the fields of the categories table. If you want to look at the data, you can say select or edit. You can also look at what is in the products table, look at the design view. Okay, if you want to look at the data, you can just say select the top 1000 rows. You can see what is the data inside. So you have created a database in the SQL server by using a file upload. Okay, so let me close all this. Okay, so you're good to go. So the next step will be to create an SPX file to connect to the database and pull the data out. And we're good for now. Let me also close the Management Studio. So thanks for watching. That's the end of this video. We'll talk about how to create SPX page to link to this database in the next video.